Hello Year 10, it's Mrs. Tansley here. Welcome to the next lesson of your sports nutrition unit. We are working on assignment 1, know about the nutrients needed for a healthy, balanced diet. This is lesson number 2 and we are learning what are nutrients. You will see I am at school today. Here we go. Where are we? So we're at lesson 2. Lesson 1, the last lesson, we learned about the characteristics of a balanced diet and you wrote your introduction to the assignment. If you haven't done that, you need to stop this video, go back to YouTube, find the first lesson and do that work first. If you've done that, then stay with me. Today we're going to learn what are nutrients and you're going to write the next paragraph to your assignment. In future lessons, you will learn more information about a healthy, balanced diet, not necessarily from me. The other PE teachers will be sending videos as well, and you'll be adding more sections to your assignment. So the aim is that we get a first draft written from home, so when we are back in school together, we can get it improved and written on the computer if you're doing it from by hand at home. Okay, so what are nutrients? This is the title to the next section of your assignment. Everything you read and hear in the next few slides will go into this section, and you need to put it into one paragraph only using proper sentences and linking words. Do not just copy my bullet points down, you need to convert it into proper sentences. What are nutrients? So nutrients are chemicals that a human body needs in order to live and grow. Nutrients are substances in food. Our bodies process nutrients so they can function. And your nutrient requirements are influenced by factors including your age, your gender, and your activity. There are 2 types of nutrients, so 2 groups of nutrients that we have. You may have heard of these before. Macronutrients and micronutrients. Macronutrients are nutrients that provide energy. They are needed in the largest amounts in our diet, and there are 3 types: carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. So the majority of your diet will be made up of carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Micronutrients are nutrients that are needed in small amounts in our diet, and they're needed for healthy growth and development. There are 2 main types, vitamins and minerals. For example, calcium, iron, vitamin C. Okay, so you're going to write, after your little introduction about what nutrients are, you're going to then put a couple of sentences about macronutrients and micronutrients, giving the examples that I've given. And now let's think about where we can find these nutrients in our food. Some foods contain lots of different nutrients. They are known as nutrient-dense foods. They are the best foods we can eat to service our body's needs. So, for example, we've got fruits, vegetables, whole grains, eggs, nuts, and seafood. Have a look here on the right in the picture. You will see which are the most nutrient-dense foods on the planet. Do you eat these? And at the other end of the scale, we've got examples of food here below that are not nutrient dense. They are known as nutrient poor. They do not contain all the nutrition that your body needs to function. And whilst junk food gives your body energy, so calories, it does lack the nutrients your body needs to function. If you just ate this food over and over again, you would start to feel pretty unwell because you need nutrients to help you feel better and to service your body. Okay, so it's your turn now. You're going to add 1 more paragraph to the end of your assignment. Write about what nutrients are, the difference between macronutrients and micronutrients, and some examples of nutrient-dense food. You may want to use junk food as a comparison to nutrient-dense food. You're then going to submit that work to me either on Google Classroom or on email to me, whatever I've organised with you, and make sure you don't miss the deadline.